Hey, it's Scott at Dyer Chevrolet Ft Pierce, and you can save time scheduling your next service appointment by scheduling it online. Once you've logged on to dyerchevyfortpierce.com, look for the Service and Parts tab on the menu bar. Then you're going to go to Schedule Service. If you've had service here at Dyer Chevrolet Ft Pierce before, you can put in your phone number and email and we can pull up your account. If this is your first time, scroll down to the bottom here and click I'm a new customer. Once you put in your personal information and your vehicle information, it'll bring you to this page where you can schedule the services that are needed for your vehicle. If you don't see the items you're looking for, scroll down here and you can input what it is that you need. Once you've chosen the selected services you need for your vehicle, click Next. Some services take longer than others. You can either choose to wait at the dealership or we can schedule you a shuttle ride in advance so we can get you to your destination while your car is being worked on. On this screen, you'll find available dates and times for your car to be serviced. Just pick the day and the time and then click Next. Finally, before we book your service, let's make sure all your information is correct. Review the information, the service that you have chosen, and the date and time. If you'd like to get update notifications, you can check email or text. If all the information is correct and looks good, click Book Service. Scheduling your next service appointment is simple and easy at dyerchevyfortpierce.com. And if technology isn't your thing, you can still call us at 772-461-4800 to schedule your appointment.